Hello guys, I tried to catch the crabs. There's a crabs there, small crabs. Wow, wow, the small crabs. I'm gonna get it. My God, thousands of them. Look, oh, they're running. Look. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get one crabs. See. I'm gonna get one. They gonna bite me? See, I got one crabs. Look. Are they crabs, darling?
I guess so.
They're just like a tiny. I got one crabs. Oh no, they're getting into the. See? There's a big one. There's a big one. I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna catch you. The big one. I'm gonna catch. Hey, bites me. Ah, I'm gonna catch one. I catch it. Look at that. I catch one. Cut, guys. Catch one. I catch one crabs. I got one. But they're colorful. As if they're not ordinary crabs. Show you, darling. So here, guys, look. Try to cut the crab. I catch one crab there, and it's very colorful. It's like green and I got it. There, darling. Look, this is why the color is like that. They're not ordinary crabs. They're like
Did you take a picture?
take picture. See, take a picture of it. I'm gonna let go of it now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let go of the water. Sorry, Krabby, I'm gonna let you go.
Well, I think he'll want to go back to his family.
There,
Probably.
there he is. Oh,
Yeah, he's lost now.
ah, look at that. He's the only one now. Oh,
He's been chasing him back that way.
oh, he'll find his family, darling. He's the biggest of them all. The rest of them, they're small. There you are. There you are. Bye-bye. Okay. I don't know if the water there is ay, my hat. Okay, darling. Then there's a boat ramp there. Oh, there's a more there, darling. There's a bunch there again.
You should have brought him over here. Probably a different family though.
Yeah, maybe this is a different family. Again, catch it, catch it. Look at this. Look. what kind of crab is it, as if that they look like ants. I would like to get the big one. Oh, there's some more there. Look, there's plenty. Oh, there. Huh? There's a hole. There's like a tiny hole. I think that's where they live.
Yeah.
Again, I'll go to the. Darling, can you walk here?
Well, I think that's what we're going to have to do. I might walk up.
Here, darling, you could walk here.
I might try and go up this way
Yeah?
and across
Oh,
to the jetty.
it's better here, darling, than there. Just go this way, darling. Just follow me. Just be careful.
Yeah, well, I mean, I should go the way I'm the most confident to go.
Yeah, but you can walk there. There's something that you just gonna do under the tree, and you can do it there.
Get up there.
Here, you can hold on to. I don't know. I don't know if this is soft. It's not. It's soft. It's not soft. It's okay. You could like.
Yeah.
Just go across and hold on here. Sorry, darling. So it's okay. You could walk here, and they're already here. At least you could something you could hold on to. Adventure. Just be careful. Look at the rocks. Beautiful rocks. Then you could hold on to this tree and just step on the stone. Then we're here. Go the other way down. This way. Yeah. Good. We're here. I don't know where this thing goes. Jetty. Gotta swim. Look at that. I love it here. You can have a boat. It's not deep. This is where we went. cupola. Like go on that one. Darling, hold on to my hat. Can you hold this one? I'm gonna go down there and wash my foot. Just thank you. I'm going down here, guys, and wash my slippers. Plenty of fish. I think this is belong to here.
Well, it's, yeah, there's a couple of them here.
Yeah. It's nice. To me. Thank you. Haha. Good day. I went down there. Okay. Let's go back. I don't know where we're gonna go.
Well, we'll try that path. It must
Yeah.
lead us along there somewhere.
Yeah. Okay. Whew. I don't know. I think you have to rent to put your boat here. That's the crabs. That's a different crabs. That crab there, they get bigger. See, that's a different crabs.
I'm going to Google blue crab.
This one, darling, is a different crab. That one, that crab, I think they get bigger. Plenty of crabs here. I haven't seen any bigger one. They're all small. We can't go back there anymore. Slowly, darling. Birds. I think we go that way. See?
I see where we are.
Oh, I know now. We should go that way before. There. There's the. We just went the other way before. Don't know why my. I don't know why my thing is foggy. Okay guys, we're here now. We got our way.